We apply the shampoo using a brush and apply it everything throughout the brows. Remove the shampoo from the skin with a cotton pad. For our model, I choose two Lume shades. Shade number 2 will be used at the base, it is brown, and shade number 1 graphite will be added to achieve a cold undertone. For drawing hair strokes, use the thinnest brush in your kit. I am using brush number 11, a hair stroke brush. We mainly use Lume for creating hair strokes, so brush the brow hairs into the desired direction and draw strokes in their gaps. The direct pigment doesn't require oxidant and sets instantly, so try to create a thin hair stroke in a right way. For a more bright result, you can layer the hair strokes, or to dilute the direct pigment, you can mix it with water to achieve a softer finish. Look how natural the drawn hair strokes appear. The stability of these strokes will be approximately 3 or 5 days. All shades in the Lume palette can be used individually or mixed together. In this case, we mixed 2 shades to achieve the desired imprint and the perfect skin tone result. Periodically, I brush through the hairs to check how the drawn strokes looks. As a reminder, Lume can be used without oxidant, it sets immediately on the skin and gives the desired stain. In addition to draw hair strokes, you can also use Lume to cover scars or to tint the whole brow. I'd also like to mention that Lume works mainly on the skin without coloring the brow hairs. If necessary, you can complete the procedure with brow correction. We have already used tweezers and now removing hairs around the brow with thread. Since Lume sets almost instantly, it can be removed nearly in a right way. I use a cotton pad and clean across the entire brow. To make our result closer to perfection, I use a fixing gel. We set the hairs into desired direction and fix them into a shape.